The 2025 BMW M4 high-performance coupe is all about performance. Its muscular body rests low over large tires, and a prominent yet functional front aerodynamic element enhances airflow, while four exhaust pipes announce the presence of its powerful twin-turbo inline-six engine. Sharing much of its structural and spiritual DNA with the M3 sedan, the M4 benefits from the expertise of BMW's M Performance division in both engine and chassis development. The base M4 features a 473 horsepower twin-turbo inline-six paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, an arrangement that maximizes driver engagement and underscores BMW's commitment to this classic setup. The competition variant swaps the manual for an 8-speed automatic, increasing power to 503 horsepower. For 2025, all-wheel drive is available on the competition model, adding an extra 20 horsepower for a total of 523. For ultimate performance, the CS model offers a robust 543 horsepower version of the engine. The M4 suspension is tuned for high performance, delivering incredible grip on winding roads and during track days. But be aware that every pothole and road imperfection will make the stiffness of the suspension very noticeable. Additionally, the overly complicated configurable drive modes are areas where we believe competitors like the Cadillac CT4 Blackwing, Mercedes-Benz G63, and Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio have a more refined approach. The competition coupe and competition convertible models now boast an extra 20 horsepower, bringing their total output to 523. Both front and rear lighting elements feature updated designs, with the taillights using laser diode technology inspired by the limited edition M4 CSL. The flat-bottom steering wheel showcases a new spoke design, and the infotainment system runs on iDrive 8.5, BMW's latest software version. Additionally, a new forged light alloy wheel design in a bright silver finish is now available. The new CS Coupe model takes the place of the CSL in the lineup, delivering 543 horsepower from its twin-turbo inline-six engine, while shedding 45 pounds for a lighter overall weight. The M4 competition is a compelling option if you're considering spending a bit more, especially the 2025 xDrive models, which offer a slight power increase. However, we lean towards the standard M4 for its manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, and more comfortable ride. We'd also choose the lightweight, extra-supportive M carbon bucket seats, along with the M Drive Professional package, which includes an onboard drift analyzer and lap timer, and the M Drivers package, which unlocks a higher top speed and provides a one-day high-performance driving class. The M4 is powered by a robust and responsive twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine available in 3 tuning levels. The base M4 Coupe delivers 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, providing a thrilling experience with its rear-wheel drive and 6-speed manual transmission. The competition model increases output to 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet, but it only comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission. As a trade-off, the M4 competition can be equipped with an exclusive rear-biased all-wheel drive system, though this means sacrificing the excitement of manual shifting. At the top of the lineup is the M4 CS, available only as a coupe, featuring a tuned version of the inline-six that raises power to 543 horses. All M4 models include adaptive dampers, adjustable brake pedal feel, and an electronically controlled exhaust system that becomes louder in Sport and Sport Plus modes. The volume can be adjusted down at any time with the M sound button. While BMW offers an extensive range of adjustable drive modes, we feel this can sometimes detract from the pure driving experience envisioned by their engineers. Fortunately, during our time with the M4 competition, we experienced its impressive acceleration, outstanding cornering grip, and remarkable stability. The standard M4 features 18-inch front wheels and 19-inch rear wheels, while the M4 competition is equipped with staggered 19-inch front and 20-inch rear wheels. Additionally, the M4 comes with a carbon fiber roof that lowers its center of gravity and can be fitted with fade-resistant carbon ceramic brakes. All M4 models come equipped with adaptive dampers, customizable brake pedal feel, and an electronically controlled exhaust system that gets louder in Sport and Sport Plus modes. The volume can be reduced anytime using the M sound button. While BMW offers a wide variety of adjustable drive modes, we believe this can sometimes take away from the pure driving experience that their engineers intended. Fortunately, during our time with the M4 competition, we enjoyed its impressive acceleration, exceptional cornering grip, and remarkable stability. The standard M4 features 18-inch front wheels and 19-inch rear wheels, while the M4 competition boasts staggered 19-inch front and 20-inch rear wheels. Additionally, the M4 has a carbon fiber roof that lowers its center of gravity and can be equipped with fade-resistant carbon ceramic brakes. In car and driver testing, the M4 Coupe went from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds and completed the quarter mile in a brisk 12 seconds, with a trap speed of 121 miles per hour. The competition model is even quicker, reaching 60 miles per hour in an impressive 2.8 seconds at our test track, 1 full second faster than the standard model. For 2025, both the M4 Competition Coupe and M4 Competition Convertible X-Drive will see a 20 horsepower boost, bringing their total output to 523 horsepower, which we anticipate will enhance acceleration significantly. While the M4 shares its interior layout and passenger space with the standard 4 Series Coupe, it features a sportier aesthetic with unique materials and race-inspired options. The standard M Sport seats provide enhanced bolstering with an integrated headrest and illuminated logo, and ventilation is also available. For further weight savings, lightweight carbon fiber front seats can be selected. The steering wheel has been updated to a flat-bottom design with modified spokes, available in either genuine leather or faux suede, featuring a thick rim and 2 red buttons for customizable M-Drive modes. Cosmetic enhancements include a dark graphite matte finish for the dashboard trim, control panel, and cup holder. Additional carbon fiber trim pieces and elongated paddle shifters on the steering column can further elevate the cabin style. Although the back seat may not be as spacious as in the M3 sedan, it remains functional for passengers, and choosing the convertible model offers the benefit of unlimited headroom with its retractable fabric top. Every 2025 BMW M4 is packed with advanced technology designed to enhance your driving experience. At the center of the cockpit is a stunning 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster paired with a sleek 14.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now featuring BMW's new iDrive 8.5 operating system. This update includes M-specific graphics and improved climate controls,